Now before we start explaining you in this video, let's understand what are popular coins and favorite coins. Now popular coins are all the top tokens curated by WazirX. And favorite coins are the tokens that you mark as favorite. So if you open the WazirX interface on the mobile app, you will see a star button on the left hand side. Now you can go on the star button and you can see your favorite coins. Now let's suppose if I go into the exchange and let's suppose I select the BTC token. Now I need to mark it star out here. And let me select Zilliqa out here. So I see a star here and I'll click on the star. Now these two tokens have been added to my favorite list. Now let's understand how to get real-time price alerts on all your favorite tokens and stay on top of the markets. So we open the WazirX app first. Now we go to the settings, and in the settings, while you scroll down, click on notifications. Now once you click on the notifications, you will see a tab of favorite coins. Switch on the toggle key and you'll see three tabs in this: big price changes, medium price changes and small price changes. You can opt it accordingly. Like we're setting for alerts for big price changes here, and that's about it. So this is how you can get real-time price alerts on all your favorite tokens and stay on top of the markets.